Hello everyone, I am Jay Verma and my topic for computer graphics subject is Bezier and B-spline curve. So in this PPT we will be covering about introduction to curve modeling, what are Bezier curves, properties of Bezier curves, what are B-spline curves, comparison between Bezier versus B-spline curves, application in computer graphics, visual demonstration, summary and references. So our main goal is to understand how Bezier and B-spline curves are used to model smooth flexible shapes in computer graphics. How we will achieve this? So we will achieve this by defining the curves of Bezier and B-spline, explain their mathematical foundations, compare control, flexibility and continuity, discuss applications and demonstrate visually. So introduction. In computer graphics, curves are essential for designing smooth shapes, paths and surfaces. Bezier and B-spline curves are widely used mathematical models. They allow designers to create flexible, smooth and scalable objects with a set of control points. Bezier curves, defined using Bernstein polynomials, entire curve influenced by all control points, commonly used in vector graphics. Curve starts at first control point and ends at last one. Properties of Bezier curve. Smooth and continuous, degree is equal to number of control points minus 1. Lies within the convex hull of its control points. Cannot easily modify parts of the curve without affecting the whole. Curve changes globally when a control point moves. B-spline curve. B-spline is equals to basis spline. मतलब B-spline stands for basis spline. Generalizes Bezier curves defined by a degree, control points and a node vector. Offers local control. So properties of B-spline curves are more flexible than Bezier, does not pass through all control points, supports piecewise polynomial functions, maintains continuity CO, C1, C2 based on degree. Types: 1 point perspective, 1 vanishing mode common in interior design and corridor views, 2 point perspective and 3 point perspective. So comparison table between Bezier and B-spline curve. In Bezier the control is global, in B-spline the control is local. Flexibility is moderate in Bezier while high in B-spline. Complexity is simple. Bezier is simple while B-spline is slightly complex. Use cases for Bezier are fonts, logo, simple parts, and B-spline are CAD and 3D modeling. Passes through point first and last, and B-spline passes through none, only approximates. Parallel projection applications. Bezier curves, font rendering, prototype, animation paths, drawing tools, Illustrator, Inkscape, B-spline curves, 3D modeling, CAD tools, surface representation in simulations. Visual demonstration. Show how changing a Bezier control point alerts the whole curve. Show how moving a B-spline points only affect a segment. Graphical comparison of smoothness and control. Summary. So in summary part, both Bezier and B-spline curves are essential in graphics and design. Bezier is easy to use but offers global control, but on the other hand, B-spline is more complex but allows localized edits. The right choice depends on the use case, flexibility and control needs. For further resources, you can look up to Scratch Pixel, Computer Graphics Principle and Practice by Foley et al., WebGL Fundamentals, YouTube. References are given below, and for acknowledgement we can contact Dr. Naintan Mahajan for guidance and support. Thank you. That is it for our PPT.